A 20-year-old Wyoming woman was killed and 4 others injured when a GMC Yukon rolled over on Sand Creek Road near Laramie just after 1 a.m. February 8th. The Wyoming Highway Patrol says the SUV crested a hill and lost traction with the roadway. The driver then overcorrected, causing the vehicle to roll. The woman who died, Johanna Cantanilla, was a passenger in the vehicle, and authorities say she was not wearing a seatbelt at the time. Well, the winter wind is back. Strong winds forced closures Tuesday for light, high-profile vehicles on I-25 from Cheyenne to Wheatland and I-80 from Laramie to Rawlins. The Wyoming Highway Patrol shared this image of a semi blown over, reminds drivers to download and use the WYO 511 app for the latest information on road closures. You can also visit yourwyominglink.com for more details. Visitors to Landers North Park can expect some temporary closures next week. The city says tree trimming is scheduled February 23rd through the 27th, and guests are asked to use caution near work zones or visit one of Landers' other parks. To see the full news release, head on over to our website. Wyoming Game and Fish inviting the public to upcoming open houses and meetings to review proposed 2026 fall hunting season changes. For meeting details and schedules, go to our website, yourwyominglink.com. Also, Wyoming Highway Patrol K-9 teams put their skills to the test this month, and one duo came out on top. During the agency's first annual narcotics detection K-9 trial, February 12th, the trooper McConnell and his partner Jack earned the overall championship after competing in real-world training scenarios. And that wraps up today's trip around Wyoming.